Installing the FLOWATCH Vision Wall Condensate Removal Pump. There are 4 possible installation positions: below on the right or left, or on the right or left side. Installation below on the right. Here are the fittings needed for installation. First, remove the plate covering the air conditioning unit. Cut the necessary area out of this plate. Now replace the trimmed plate. Here are the 3 grommets for wall mounting. Lift out the tank to gain access to the mounting holes on the pump housing. Then, place the unit against the wall, taking care to align it with the hole in the plate and pressing it against the air conditioner. Mark the position using a pencil to prepare for drilling holes. Drill the holes and insert the wall plugs. Pass the electrical wires through. Position the pump housing and attach it to the wall. Attach the hydraulic connection for drainage. Place the condensate water drainage hose in its tank. Then fit the tank into the pump housing. Relocate the plate in its position. Clip the cover onto the pump housing. Installation is complete. Installation below on the left. Here are the fittings needed for installation. Prepare for installation by moving the grommets from one side to the other. The remainder of installation is symmetrical to installation below on the right. Installation on the left side. Here are the fittings needed for installation. For a position on the left or right side of the unit, remove the white tank. Remove the filter and place it in the blue tank. Connect the pipe to the tank. Attach the cable tie. Trim the pipe. Disconnect the suction tube from the detector cover. Fit the bent tube beneath the cover. Connect the bent tube to the suction tube. Place the blue tank beneath the cover. Then slide the tank onto the guides on the pump housing. Remove the left-hand side plate. Cut it to fit the required position. And put it back into place. Align the pump housing to the hole in the air conditioning unit. Mark the position to prepare for drilling holes. Drill the holes. Insert the wall plugs, pass the electrical wires through, and attach the pump to the wall. Attach the hydraulic connection. Connect the tank to the drainage hose. Slide the tank onto the guides. Replace the plate and attach the cover to the pump housing. Installation is complete. Installation on the right side. Here are the fittings needed for installation. Simply move the grommets from one side to the other so that they are facing the wall. The remainder of the installation is symmetrical to installation on the left side. Depending on the position of the air conditioning unit, the removal pump is not visible to you.